Hey, it's Lalulu. Hi, Lalulu. These houses are so amazing.
Wow. I can't wait to find out who gets which one.
Me first. Here goes. Wow, a gold diamond.
Woohoo! That dress is everything. Now me. Oh, wow, my favorite pink.
I wonder what I'll get. A green diamond.
Yay!
I need to get everything set up in here.
What kind of room do you want?
I've already decided.
Then let's start with the bed. We'll need some gold kitchen sponges. Trim the edges and hot glue two together. Stack pieces like this to build up a tall mattress. Attach legs and a diamond-shaped headboard. Add pillows and a blanket.
I want more gems.
Lali magic. Decorate the blanket with gold crystals. All done. Let's put it in the room.
Lalulu, the bed turned out absolutely stunning. It's so soft and beautiful.
We'll hang some fairy lights for atmosphere.
Love it, so cozy. Let's hang some posters too.
Sure, let's add a little sparkle to them with foam sheet first.
Lalulu, can you help me hang everything?
Of course.
I'll start. Amazing! Gold and purple look so good together.
We're making you a cool garland. Cut gems out of metallic cardboard. Score the facets and string them onto fishing line. What do you think?
That's really cute.
Let's hang our garlands from the ceiling.
Wow, look how they sparkle.
Woohoo!
My room is absolutely gorgeous.
What?
What's that?
Pillow fight!
It's on. You're going down, Lali.
Ow! That was so much fun. Lalulu, I have an idea. Can we make a heart-shaped bed?
What do you think of this heart?
No, I don't want that one. It's too plain. I want a diamond heart. That one's way too high. I can't reach it. Oh, I've got it. I'll draw it myself. It turned out absolutely perfect.
Wow! It really did. Trace it onto pink cardboard and cut it out. Use the scraps for the sides. Done! What a huge sponge! We'll place it inside. We need to cover it in fabric.
I brought just the right one. Wow, it's so soft. It's so funny.
Hold on, Lali, we're not done yet. Let's add the headboard.
This definitely needs more bling. That's better. And what am I gonna use as a blanket?
Take this throw blanket.
But it's so boring. Okay, let me fix that. Now that's my vibe.
Okay, that's better. Let's add some fluffy pillows.
This bed is absolutely stunning.
Let's put it in Lali's room.
The bed is great, but the walls don't match it at all. What should I decorate them with? Rhinestones, obviously. That's more like it, and we'll make a garland out of these.
Great idea, Lali. Let's hang it from the ceiling.
Wow, it's so beautiful! I just have no one to play with. Oh, hey there, cutie. Come here. You're so playful. Lie down. We'll sleep together. What? Did you do that? No, this can't go on. He definitely needs his own bed.
Here you go.
Oh, wow, it looks just like mine. Thanks, bestie.
Let's attach it to the wall up high.
Then Lou definitely needs a ladder. Ice cream sticks will work perfectly. Okay, up you go, Lou. You'll be so much more comfortable up there, and I can finally get some sleep.
What?
Where did he run off to? Where did this kitten come from? Oh, stop! Careful!
Hey!
Oh no, my glitter! There you are, got you. We need to clean this up right now.
Hold on, Lily. I have an idea. We take some white tape and pick up a little glitter on the sticky sides. Then seal it with another strip of tape on top. We make lots of pieces like this. Join them together into a large sheet. Fold it into the shape of a box and close all the openings.
Wow.
Add a headboard and fill our mattress with leftover tape pieces so it holds its shape. Decorate Lily's bed with rhinestones and add pillows. All done!
Wow, what an amazing bed! I've always wanted one like this, and it's so soft. Oh, I know exactly what to decorate the walls with, fluffy tinsel.
Great idea, Lily! We stick nano tape along the full height of the wall and attach our tinsel to it. We hang a string of light bulbs across the top.
Wow.
It looks absolutely incredible! And let's decorate the walls of our diamond house with rhinestones, too.
Oh no, my bed!
What do we do? Oh, I know. Let's use a pump.
Let's try.
More! We'll patch the hole in the mattress with some chewing gum and it won't deflate anymore. Okay, Lou, we're done here.
Well, that was fun. Time to rest. Hello, Lali, what's going on?
We have a party, remember?
Not ready at all. Stay calm, Rumi. We'll get it done right now. Let's look for the right materials. Oh, this palette will work perfectly. We cover it with gold foam sheet and decorate the sides with gems. Cut a diamond shape from foil and attach it to the lid. Decorate everything with rhinestones. And the table is ready. Take a crown piece, trim the extra, and join the edges. It looks gorgeous. Put it in the room, add a poof and some makeup. Wow, Lalalu, I'm absolutely obsessed. Take a seat, Rumi. Let's get you looking amazing.
Thanks.
We cleanse the face. Apply moisturizer. Do the makeup.
Oh, nice.
Style the hair, and voila!
Hey.
Oh my gosh, Rumi, you look stunning!
We want makeup too. Can you do ours?
Huh? Of course. Who's first?
Me.
Ta-da!
We look absolutely incredible.
I'm actually getting hungry.
Same, me too. One moment. Lalalu, we need to get some snacks ready for the girls.
Okay.
On it. We can use this table.
Perfect, totally my style.
Here are your snacks.
Wow.
I'll go call the girls.
Hold on. Let's make some bean bags first. Take a large green balloon and deflate it. Cut it out. Add some stuffing and tie it up like a bag. Press a dent into the middle and decorate everything with gems. Our bean bags are ready.
Oh, my. Woo.
Now let's make a phone stand. Trace a phone on thick cardboard and draw a frame. Cut along both the outer and inner outlines. Glue strips along the sides of a same-size piece of cardboard and cover it with the screen-shaped piece. Close off the sides, leaving only the opening for the phone. Spray paint the stand and decorate it with rhinestones. Absolutely stunning!
I think everything is ready.
Just let me add a couple more details.
So cool. Girls, come over here.
We're here!
What's up?
Time for a break.
Wow, food.
Wow, a game!
Yay.
Finally, time to eat.
This is amazing.
I love this game!
Woohoo.
Come on, girls. Meow. You again. Just not on my bed. Are you hungry? Come here then. Okay, break's over.
Hey, we were playing.
Did you forget we still have a party to get to?
Oh, right. We need swimsuits.
But we don't have any.
Calm down, Lily. I'll figure it out. Lalalu, I urgently need a workspace.
Sure, I brought your materials shelf over.
Thanks.
But where am I actually going to sew?
Light bulb moment. Let's make you a work table. Take some pink hot glue sticks, lay them out evenly on parchment paper, cover with another sheet, and iron over them. That gives us a solid tabletop.
Hey.
I brought some gems, Lalalu.
Great, we'll use them as legs.
Awesome. I'll put my sewing machine right here.
Want to add some rhinestones?
Obviously. Do you even have to ask? You know I'm obsessed with them. What an amazing table this turned out to be.
Nice.
Let's add a few more details.
Wow, a real workshop. Time to get started on the swimsuits. We'll sew them from balloons.
Great idea. Fold a balloon in half, make a cut, and trim off the neck. Now you can sew.
Ta-da! Girls, the swimsuits are ready. Come over here quick.
Oh, wow. Can we try them on? I'm taking the green one.
And I'll take the gold one.
Lali, they're absolutely gorgeous.
Yes, we look like top models.
Let me have a look. Something's missing. Rhinestones, obviously. Let me decorate your swimsuit, Rumi.
Thank you, Lali.
Woohoo.
And you put on these sparkly shorts.
Wow, I love them.
Lalalu, what do you think?
You all look incredible. We should do a little runway show.
First up on the runway is the stunning Emerald Lily.
Woohoo.
her. And this is a wonderful golden Rumi.
Thanks.
And finally, meet a lovely pink Lali. Girls, we absolutely nailed that runway.
Yes, we're amazing. Bravo, girls. Let me take a photo of you all.
Okay, it's time to head to the party.
Oh, wait. There's one more thing to finish. Take some metallic cardboard, draw a diamond shape, and cut out several facets in different colors. Score fold lines and assemble the diamond-shaped pool shell. Put it on a plastic bowl. Decorate the diamond with rhinestones. Add water slides coming from each house.
Lalulu, what an incredible pool with slides. The only thing missing is water. There we go.
Lali, wait. Why do we have slime? We need water.
Lalulu, trust me on this one. Can you help me open it?
All right, then.
More, even more slime.
Well, it does look just like water. Let's add some sun loungers.
And inflatable rings. Here we go. Girls, hurry up.
Oh my gosh.
The water is absolutely amazing.
These slides are so tall.
Everyone in the pool. Woo!
Down the slides.
Let's go.
I'm first. Woo!
My turn.
Coming in. Yee!
Bye-bye.